Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming fit and functionality because a tight suit restricts movement and a loose one looks sloppy. Put on lightweight base layers to wick sweat. A thin shirt and leggings will protect the costume fabric. Once done, slide into the body suit up to the waist, align seams with your hips, and fasten internal straps if present. Make sure zippers move smoothly and ask your helper to check the back zipper and redistribute any padding before proceeding. Next, you shape the costume so it reads as a panda rather than a loose bag. Insert any removable padding into torso pockets and smooth it to avoid lumps. This creates the bear silhouette. Once padding is set, slide your arms into the sleeves and connect paw gloves, taking care to fasten wrist closures so they don't slip. Then raise the hood and secure the headpiece, adjusting internal straps so the eye openings align with your sight and the mouth area clears your breathing. To finish, zip the suit fully and fasten any exterior snaps or toggles, then stand and take a slow walk to confirm unrestricted movement. Make final adjustments. Retuck visible seams, clip loose fur, and reposition the headpiece so your visual field and ventilation are clear. If you notice fogging, overheating, or a pinching seam, stop immediately. Remove the headpiece, cool down with a fan or a cold pack, and refit padding or straps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.